Hi, and welcome to Clue 9 of the So Sweet Puzzle Mystery Quilt by Cut and Cuts. My name is Sean, and this is my channel, The Guy Who Sews, and I'm so glad you decided to join us today. This is the second to last clue of this puzzle mystery quilt, and hopefully in the next week or two we get to find out how it all goes together into the completed quilt. For those of you that don't know, this is a 10-month project that started back in February, where they send you a set of instructions along with pre-cut fabric, and who doesn't love that? And each month you either make one or two blocks depending on the month, and then at the end we got to put it all together. And this month it's going to be one block, and I'm doing the Benet colorway, and I'm very excited. This is my first puzzle mystery quilt, and I am so excited to see what it all looks like at the end. This is a time lapse of me putting it all together, but if you are looking for a good tutorial, my friends Becca, Fallon, Ian, and Danny will be more than happy to show you on their channels. So I hope you enjoy today's content. So as I mentioned in the previous video, this one has a lot of green in it, which is very unusual. We haven't seen a lot of the green in this, and this is what it looks like. And there's actually four of them. I'm not going to hold all four up, but they're all the same. And this is going to be a fun block, and I don't have no clue whatsoever how it's going to fit into the final project. But we have one more clue to go, and I am so ready to see the final clue and then see how this all comes together. And in mid-November, I'm going to give out more details in the near future. But we're going to have a special event to put this all together. So stay on the lookout for that. I'm very excited to have that event and to share more details with you about that soon. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely leave a comment, leave a like, share with a friend, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day and happy sewing.